Who wants to get? Why don't you get a picture? Zach, get in the picture with him.
Alright, how do you do it?
I'm gonna take a group picture of you guys in front of the big window.
You don't want to get in? Yeah, come on. That's the fucking thing. We're done.
Hold on. That was cool.
You knew all that. So the camera